Hey everyone, it's Ria with Subtl Beauty, and today we are going to be doing a date night glowy makeup routine inspired by none other Miss Queen Hailey Bieber. Hailey's makeup routine is super natural, super dewy, so we're gonna recreate that look today. First things first, we gotta start with a flawless base. So we wanna make sure that our skin is prepped and ready to go. So I'm just taking my favorite facial oil and going to apply that all over my face and my neck, just to make sure that the skin looks super glowy and dewy when we're finished. Next up, take your favorite moisturizer and apply all over your face. Next, you're gonna take your favorite lightweight foundation, and I suggest one that has a dewy finish. It can really even out your skin tone and make your skin glow. I like to apply my foundation to the back of my hand first and just do a little bit there. Take your favorite foundation brush and then just apply it all over. And of course, don't forget the neck. All right, so now the foundation's done, we're gonna grab our Subtle stack and we're gonna apply concealer all over our problem areas. So any redness or any imperfections that we wanna cover up. Hailey likes to apply her concealer with her finger because it really gives more of a natural skin finish. So we're gonna apply with just our fingers today. I'll be using the shade Karek from the Subtle stack. I like to apply under my eye because I have eye bags. Also like to take the concealer and kind of move it upwards. A lifted look, tap and move upwards just to blend, and it really just gives it a really natural finish as opposed to just applying with a brush. Now that our base is finished, we're gonna go ahead and move to contour. So as you probably already know, Miss Hailey Bieber has killer jawbones. So we're gonna try to recreate that today. So again, taking my Subtle stack, and I'll be using the bronzer in the shade Cocoa. And of course, taking my Subtle brush to apply the bronzer. Dip in, and I like to tap the excess. You don't want muddy lines to show when you do this. You want to make sure that you blend it out. So a little trick I like to do for bronzer, look at the top of my ear and I kind of follow that, and that's where you want to apply your bronzer. Blend upwards and not downwards, because when you blend downwards, it's gonna make your face look longer. We really want our face to lifted like Hailey's. Also like to apply it on my jawline and also my forehead as well. Okay, can we just take a moment for that definition come through, Coco? Moving to the eyes, Hailey typically does a soft, natural, romantic look, so we're gonna recreate that. For this eye look, I will be using the eyeshadow duo in Voyage because we're gonna go in with this lighter brown and deepen the crease with this darker brown. So I'm just gonna take my finger and get some of the lighter brown shade and apply it all over my eye. Next, I'm gonna take this brush and get some of the darker color, and then you're gonna wanna just deepen your crease. Make sure when you apply this, very lightweight with your hands. And to finish off the eye look, you wanna apply your favorite mascara, and I'm super generous with the mascara here. All right, so for the final step, lips and blush. And again, Hailey typically does a fairly natural lip color. I'm gonna take this shade in Dusty Rose, and as you can tell, I use it all the time. Apply it to my lips. How natural and luscious this color makes my lips look. I'm just gonna take the excess that's on my hand and apply that to my cheekbones, and you wanna make sure when you apply this, you're not swiping like this, you wanna tap. I'm tapping upwards, do this very nice natural finish. This is the finished look, super natural and super dewy. I really love how the blush and lip tie together. It's honestly the perfect date night look, and it's super natural. Thank you so much for watching this Hailey Bieber inspired makeup look. If you like this look, make sure to let us know in the comments, like, subscribe, and let us know who you want us to do next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.